In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in Jira. We're going to walk through the basic process of creating a form, choosing the right type, and making simple edits so your form works the way you need it to. If you're using Jira to collect structured information from your team, forms can be a really useful way to standardize what gets submitted and make sure important details aren't missed. To get started, open your Jira project and click on Forms. This is the area where you can manage the forms connected to your project. If you've never used this feature before, this section is where you'll create new forms and update existing ones. Once you're in the Forms area, click on Create Form. This opens the form creation flow and lets you begin setting up a new form from scratch. Creating a form this way is helpful when you want to guide users to provide consistent information instead of relying on open-ended issue descriptions alone. Next, select types. This step allows you to choose the kind of issue or structure your form will be built around. In Jira, the type you choose can affect how the form is used and where it fits into your team's workflow, so it's a good idea to pay attention here before moving on. After that, click on Task. Choosing Task means the form will be associated with that issue type, which is a common option for general work items. If your team uses tasks for requests, action items, or internal work tracking, this is often the right choice. Once the form opens in the builder, you can then edit the field. This is where you start customizing the form content. You may want to adjust the wording of a field so it's clearer, or update it so the person filling out the form knows exactly what information to enter. Clear field labels make a big difference, especially if multiple people will be using the form. You can also add fields on the right side, and you can drag and drop them into place. This makes it easy to build the form layout visually. Just choose the field you want, place it where it belongs, and continue arranging the form in a way that feels logical and easy to complete. Keeping related fields grouped together can make the form much more user-friendly. And that's the basic process for using forms in Jira. Open forms, create a new form, choose the type, select task, edit the fields, and add more fields from the right-hand panel using drag and drop. Once you've done this a couple of times, building forms in Jira becomes very quick and straightforward.